How to set up an Instagram business account. This tutorial shows you how to convert your personal Instagram profile to a professional business account on your Android device. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This menu is accessible from any tab or page on Instagram. Moving forward, tap on Settings at the bottom of the menu. Your Instagram settings page will open. Afterwards, look for Account Type and Tools or Account. Tap on it to access account options. Scroll down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show you information about professional accounts. Tap Continue to proceed with the setup. Now, you'll be asked to choose between Creator or Business. Tap on Business to set up a business account. Tap Next at the bottom to continue. Instagram will ask you to select a category for your business. Search for or select the category that best describes your business, like restaurant, retail, or services. Tap Done once you've selected your category. Moving forward, review your contact information. Add your business email, phone number, or address if needed. This information will be displayed on your profile for customers to reach you. Tap Next to continue. You can choose to connect your business account to a Facebook page if you have one. This is optional, so you can skip it by tapping Skip or connect it by selecting your Facebook page. Tap Next after making your choice. Your Instagram business account is now set up. You'll now have access to features like insights, promotions, and contact buttons. Tap Done to finish the setup. Your profile will now show business tools and analytics options. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set up an Instagram business account, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.